Hey there, fellow travelers. Join us today as we explore Sandals Royal Bahamian. This is in the island of the Bahamas. We are going to be exploring this resort that includes Island Village, West Bay Village, East Bay Village, and Coconut Grove. It's a truly beautiful resort and it has a really nice, intimate feel to it. So come along and find out what we love most. First up, we're going to explore a West Bay ocean view, one-bedroom Butler Suite. This is perfect for hanging out, having romantic dinners, and lots of extra space. It overlooks the pool in this scenario, and behind it, you will see the beautiful ocean, and you can see all the way out to Sandals Barefoot Cay private beach. This room is great for couples that are looking to unwind. One of our favorite things about this resort were all the places to hang out. Balmoral Club is perfect for shooting pool and meeting friends. We loved our massages at the Red Lane Spa. You can also get different treatments, including facials. One of our favorite restaurants was Plume. They have breakfast here, and I definitely recommend the steak and eggs. My husband says that you have to try their French press coffee. It's truly the best. One of the other places we explored was the Queen's Pearl. This restaurant is open during the afternoon and plays sports games. Tesoro has Italian food, and Kimono's restaurant has your traditional hibachi experience. It's a lot of fun. We really loved the beach area outside of the hotel, but like I said, don't forget that you can take a boat to Sandals Barefoot Cay, which is about a half a mile away. The island in this video is to your left, and it includes a restaurant, pool, and bar area, so it's almost like having a separate resort. The water here is so crystal clear and beautiful. The sky-sized pools here are truly amazing. There's one that's on the quiet side and one that has music for a little more party vibe. It is truly beautiful here both day and night. Speaking of party vibes, Coconut Grove transforms into a nightclub, and we love doing silent disco. You'll also see different shows, including fire breathing. It's something for everybody. We truly enjoyed our time here at Sandals Royal Bahamian. And if you're looking for an adults-only luxury all-included vacation, then we should be talking about Sandals. Give us a call whenever you're ready. Inspire More Travel is here for all of your needs.